little bit.
Should the blocks be in?
Yeah,
Right?
blocks back.
Blocks back. In. Blocks.
Whoa! Whoa! I feel like I'm stuck on something. All right, a little more. Okay. All right, Bonnie, bring it back.
See, the chuck's out.
Okay.
Okay, that angle looks better.
Okay.
A lot better.
Karen, chuck out. All right, let's go.
Wait.
Okay, wait. All right, Karen, you ready?
Now I am.
Okay, let's go. That's it. Chalk it up. All right, Ray, bring her down.
Okay.
All right, third time's a charm. This is gonna work. Bonnie, can I get your eyes up here?
Yep, I'm coming.
Okay.
Got it.
Ready?
Yeah. All right, let that in. Okay, what's up?
Stop!
We're still good. We're good, aren't we?
You're
I'm
like
not
a
touching-
centimeter over that. Let's just see if it's gonna go under.
We might go.
Stop.
Can you
Let go?
no? Give it a good shove like that. Hold it like that.
I don't know. You don't think it needs more angle? Look at your edge there. The butt is hitting it.
It wasn't that difficult. Yeah.
We kind of broke it a little bit. All right, Ray,
What are you gonna do?
turn that turnbuckle and let me down an inch. Can you do that? You need a pair of vice grips or something?
Turn what turnbuckle?
You're just gonna roll it over the back edge of the
Yeah.
fiberglass?
I think I can.
All right.
Turn the
Okay.
turnbuckle. I don't
Kind of
understand.
need to.
You go watch him. You can see what he's doing.
So that's safe to grip on.
Let me know when it starts to move.
I won't. It's moving.
Okay. Once that's in, we'll be good.
Yeah.
Just like a lever. Put in big screwdriver.
It's going.
Hang on, Art.
I can't hang on too long. What are you looking for, Sharon?
Something to turn that with.
Give him a big pair of pliers.
Yeah. You put it down?
Yeah.
Right.
Ooh, that's just gonna clear right there, I think.
Yeah.
They gonna fit?
It's
Yeah.
about to clear the top end. The bottom end still has a hump to clear.
Okay.
I don't know.
No, it's got-
Okay,
we got it out.
All right.
Get it in there.
Can you go forward? Yeah, clear that foot.
Okay, hold a minute.
Hold.
Is there any like edge that a jack could
Let it
catch
down
on?
another inch.
Yeah, you're over the hump on the butt there, so that might crack a little bit. Listen down.
Something happened, Bonnie.
This loosened.
Sorry. Oh, stop a minute.
Okay.
Can you push on that? Jeez. All right, let it down a little bit.
Okay.
Man, it's unbelievable how tight it is. How do we get it out?
Magic.
Is it coming down?
Pardon?
Coming down?
Yep.
Come on.
Okay.
Still cranking it. See him doing it.
put it there, maybe. Jeez, won't go.
Didn't you bring the boat forward or something?
Forward?
Yeah.
Do it?
I don't know. I mean, I think your hang-up might be the butt of it on that fiberglass right by your ankle.
Okay, stop a minute.
Okay.
All right, bring the boat forward. That's a good idea. Bring it forward 6 inches.
This is also going to be a concern though.
Yeah, I see it.
So that has to go
Yeah.
clear there. I don't know if that angle needs to be steeper. Like,
Yeah, maybe.
You
But
can't
let's look at
put
this.
something under that edge right there where you are, Arnold, to jack it up.
to slide it, yeah, like a board down. To like give it a little like,
I'll tell you what.
sliding
See how we're
board down.
leaning backwards? Can
Yeah.
you move the boat forward about 12 inches? Sharon,
Yeah.
can you unchock the wheels and let's move it forward just a
Yeah.
little bit?
Yeah.
Now it's gonna move when you do that, Bonnie.
Oh, jeez, Louise, hang on. Okay.
I'm going forward centimeters at a time. Tell me.
Okay, stop.
Okay,
Stop.
I'm stopped.
Crap.
What do you think?
Unbelievable.
Came out so easy.
The open space was bigger than the hole.
I hate to move the hook all the way to the end, but I feel like that's what I need to do. Ray, you see something I don't see?
No, I mean, it's we're tight there. Where the oil pan's sitting on the
I wonder if I rotated it. Would it be better?
rotated. What? Oh, turn it.
Turn the whole thing.
You can't go any farther this way because the exhaust is heading that.
Yeah, but I can push it.
Push it which way? The other way?
I can push it. But I think I break something.
Yeah, you're gonna break that.
Bonnie,
Yeah.
we're gonna lift it out.
Okay.
So I need you to. Oh, gee. I don't know how to get it out.
It's okay. We'll go real slow.
You want,
As Ray,
Ray, you're gonna have
lifts,
to lift it?
Bonnie pushes.
want this in?
Yeah, leave it right there.
I'm holding it till that's in. That's good.
Man, I swear I could get it. Look at this. Why can't I just do that?
Yeah.
All right, Ray, lift it up.
Can you go up with the tractor?
Yeah, I think so.
We don't need it.
Nice and slow.
Okay.
All right. Here we go.
Yeah, it's coming out nice.
Lean it back so far. It's okay. I need you to move the boat back.
I will.
Am I
think,
clear?
yeah, no, not quite. You got about, yeah, there you're clear.
Okay, stop. Okay, back me up.
Chuck!
Okay, stop.
Hey, okay.
All right, Ray, let it down. A little more.
Hey, do you want to do it even more and tighten that down again? Yeah, back it up a little more while he's got it down. And then turn it off and we'll tighten it back up. I can't move right now.
All right, I'm ready.
We're going to tighten up the turnbuckle
Okay.
again.
So
So
we
we can
can-
let it down again.
Okay, I'm ready. All right. This is the third or fourth try.
Fourth.
The second.
No, it's not the second. Fourth try is a charm, right?
Why are you bringing up Wolfen?
It's gonna go.
Okay, do we
Oh,
need this
God,
in
look
white or are you moving it, Bonnie?
What is
I'm not moving it until he pulls the motor back up. But it's probably not going to go anywhere either. So that-
Which way are you going? So I mean, do I need this block in?
you can leave it right where it is for now.
Okay.
I don't think it's going to want to move too much. So Ray's just going to take that up so we have room to loosen
Yeah,
it
we
up
have
again.
Wow.
Do they sell boats with motor already installed?
You know, this